Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. Ascaris larva is called, and the options are A. Cysticercus, B. Rhabditiform, C. Hexacanth, and D. Oncosphere. So when we say the larva, it means it is a stage in the developmental history of an organism which is morphologically different from the adult. So what happens that the fertilized egg or zygote, it forms the embryo, and embryo gives rise to a stage which is free swimming, and this stage is called larva, which is morphologically, it means in external appearance, it is morphologically different from adult. And this larva is generally free swimming, and this larva now undergoes a series of changes which are called the metamorphosis, the post embryonic developmental changes which are called the metamorphosis, and these changes converts this larva into an adult organism. Now the different organisms have different types of larva in their life history, and such a development where the larval stage is present, such a development is called the indirect development. So we have to tell that these larval forms are given. So out of these larvae, which larva belongs to the Ascaris? So first is Cysticercus, second is Hexacanth and Oncosphere. So these three, it means the Cysticercus, Hexacanth and Oncosphere, these are the larval stages which are present in the life history of Taenia solium or the tapeworm. So Taenia is a member of phylum Platyhelminths. So all these three, Cysticercus, Hexacanth and Oncosphere, these belongs to the Taenia. These are the larval stages of Taenia, which is a flatworm or a Platyhelminths. So Oncosphere is a membranous larva which is having a structure in it which is having 6 hooks. So this 6 hook structure which is covered by a membrane is called the oncosphere. When this oncosphere, when it lose its membrane, then this 6 hook like structures, they come out, and this 6 hook like larval stage is called the hexacanth. And when this hexacanth, it loses its hook, so after the loss of the hooks, it becomes the cysticercus, and all these events occur in the life history of Taenia. So we can see oncosphere is the hexacanth with the membrane. So when membrane is lost, it becomes the hexacanth, and when hexacanth loses its hooks, then it becomes the cysticercus. So these are the developmental stages in the life history of Taenia. Now one option is left, that is Rhabditiform. So this is the larva of Ascaris. Ascaris is a roundworm. It has different larval history or larval stages in its development history, and the first larva or first juvenile is called the Rhabditiform larva. So the answer B is our right answer. Rhabditiform larva is the larva of Ascaris or roundworm. I hope it is clear. All the best.